Hi guys, welcome to our channel T English Official. I hope you all are doing great and I welcome you all with a warm heart on this platform. I hope you all are doing great, and if so, make sure you comment down right away how you're feeling. And the moment I woke up in the morning, I felt like I must do a video and post it on my YouTube channel because so I don't want to take any breaks and I want to post consistently from now because that is what I have kept in my mind to be consistent, and let's see how it works. And for you guys, I have an exciting news, and that is called a 30 days English speaking challenge because I want to grow, and at the same time, I want to help you to grow and improve your English speaking skills. So, for that, let's come get together and work on our skills. So, my goal is to reach 100k. This is what I have kept in my mind, and let's do it. It's a high time now, so I can't take any breaks. No, no breaks and no more. And for you, I think you have to be consistent and improve your English daily. So let's see how this works because I'm also very unsure. But I can say that these 30 days, whatever time that you're spending with me, it will be fruitful. It will be meaningful in terms of you will learn new phrases, new vocabulary. We will have one-on-one conversations like this, or maybe not one-on-one because I can't promise based on the crowd. We will run 3 sessions for you guys. I will give the Zoom link. Whoever joins will be in the session, and I can accommodate around 10 students per session. So it's completely free, guys. No need to pay anything. You just have to click on the link that I would give in the description box. Just click on the link and be in our class. That's it. So I will tell you the time and all. I have not decided yet. Hopefully I would think it will be on Friday and Saturdays. So Friday and Saturday it will be in the evening at around 5:30 or so, or 5. So let me decide and let you know. So I will give the link in the description box below for the next session. So for today, I think let's do it from Saturday. That means from tomorrow. So I'll be posting this video today. I hope so. I will be posting it because I'm recording it right away. So after doing this, I want you to guys to join the session. Whoever is willing to, whoever wants to improve their English, so they can join. But in the 30 days for our viewers especially, what I am going to put is I am going to make conversational videos, and also I'm going to make some videos like this where I will help you to boost your English speaking skills and make you confident, reliable, and you can be super confident and fluent while you're speaking. Whatever you have started in the day one, you would surely see a change in your speaking skills by day 30. And I promise you that because I have been an English speaking coach for about 10 to 12 years now. Since I have a lot of experience, I'm telling you, I've trained lakhs of people online on Facebook and all, where we run live sessions with different platforms. So I've worked with different big English giants and applications, and also I know, like, I have trained even for interviews as well. On TCS I have trained, into on other corporates like Amazon I have trained people. I will surely help you in the training and how to even attend the interviews. Even that will be helpful to crack the job, because nowadays the job market is very, you know, low, and you have to stand out of it. So some unfair advantage must be there for every one of you, so that you can prove yourself and you can stand out of the crowd. So let's do it as a challenge and make sure that we thrive together to achieve our goals. And I hope so. Everyone will one day achieve whatever they like in their life. And that's all for this video because I don't want to make it lengthy. I just want to make it crisp and clear. I will come up with all the things that we require. I've already prepared a data plan for it, or you can call it as a boot camp also. So where I have in my mind what to be done every day and what kind of videos to be released. So if at all, if you're interested, make sure you subscribe our channel right away and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification and the pop-up, especially when our video is on the YouTube channel. And the next thing that I want, make sure you also comment down your views, like whatever you're expecting in the sessions to be. Suppose if you have any suggestions, I'm open for all of you. You can just give your suggestions. It will be valuable for me as well to understand the crowd, like what you need, so that I can provide especially what you want. And that's all, guys. Have a nice day.